Digital scale folds down to a compact size for convenient storage. Features an easy-to-read LCD display, touch-sensitive controls, and an auto power-off feature. Dimensions closed. 4.5 x 14.9 x 2.1 centimeters, open. 21.9 x 20.2 x 2.1 centimeters. Measures in grams, pounds, fluid ounces and milliliters. Powered by 1x3 VCR 2032 battery, included, wipe clean. This unique digital scale brings a whole new meaning to the concept of space-saving kitchen gadgets. When open, its three arms provide a stable platform on which to place bowls and other items for weighing. When closed, the unit folds down to an extremely compact size, enclosing and protecting the screen and controls, which makes it perfect for storing in a kitchen drawer. Top reviews from the United States. Love it so much I ordered 3 more. I purchased this to carry in my purse to weigh my portions when I am at work or traveling. Having lost significant weight many years ago, along with my daughter, using the old Michael Thurman 6-week body makeover, 6 weeks by 5 for us. I remember religiously weighing our food according to his plan. When my daughter passed away suddenly and unexpectedly, I coped by living off DQ blizzards. That was all I could keep down for months. I am ready to get these pounds off again and plan to use the same program that worked so well before. Problem is that I now work long hours and travel for work, often grabbing whatever is handy to eat. I thought I'd try this portable food scale in my attempt to get back on program. This thing is unbelievable, compact enough to fit into my purse and very easy to use. It has a tare function and several options for how to measure food. Coworkers saw me using it and begged to know where I bought this handy tool. I purchased another one for my suitcase, in case I change purses at the last minute and forget, and 2 for coworkers. I highly recommend this portable food scale. Looking forward to losing my blizzard weight.